Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Well, last year we all got introduced to a term called vocal for local, which means to not only use products made in India but to promote them as well. And I can't agree with this enough. Since the term got introduced, I have been researching and focusing on a lot of Indian brands and have come across some amazing brands since then. Well, now I'm not saying to shop from Indian brands only. I myself shop from a lot of international brands, but there is something about Indian brands you just can't ignore. And I feel a lot of Indian brands are doing great when it's come to clothing, makeup and skincare, and we should really appreciate this brand for constantly bringing out new products with great quality and giving a tough competition to their international competitors. In this video, I'll be talking about few of the Indian brands which you look out for when it comes to clothing. Now, I have decided to make this into a series because there are a lot of Indian brands I need to talk about, and I can't talk about each one of them in one video because then this video will be too lengthy and we are always running short of time, aren't we? So I will talk about only few brands in one video. Now let me tell you one thing, I'll be only talking about the brands which I personally use and love and I can vouch for. So enough with the longest intro. Without any further ado, let's get started with the video. The first brand I'm going to talk about is the one I'm absolutely in love with nowadays, and that brand is Sassafras. Oh my god guys, if you're looking out for those cute trendy tops and some good fitting bottom wear, do check Sassafras out. They have a really nice collection of tops, dresses, bottom wear, name it and they will have it in their collection, and the quality is really good and it is always available in some or other form of discount. If you have seen my summer outfit idea videos on my Instagram, I am wearing these lilac pants. Those are from Sassafras and the quality is so nice, the fitting is so nice, and I'm so in love with their range. I have some stuff lying from their range in my wish list, but I won't be buying it now because pandemic. Also, I wanted to put this out there that whatever products I talk about in any of my videos, I am not telling you to buy those products right now. Now is not the time to shop for the products you don't really need, but if you want those products or review for those products as a reference in the future, it will always be there. So yeah, I hope you guys understand. Coming back to Sassafras, if you're looking out for some really good collection western wear in affordable range, you can always check Sassafras out. Sassafras have their own website and they're always available on Myntra too. The next brand I'm going to talk about is the one I'm wearing right now, and that brand is Harpa. Like Sassafras, even Harpa has a really nice collection of cute dresses, trendy tops, and even their bottom wear collection is so good and the quality is pretty decent for the price point you pay. That is, Harpa is always available on an affordable range. So if you're looking out for an Indian brand with trendy collection in an affordable range, do check Harpa out. You will definitely find something you love. Now Harpa has their own website and is also available on Myntra, Ajio and Amazon. The one brand you should look out for when searching for some chic casual wear or formal wear is Ant. Now Ant belongs to the house of Anita Dongre, which also consists of Global Desi, and has all kind of clothing stuff available in their collection, be it tops or dresses, and they have some nice collection of trousers. I'm not even kidding guys, I have bought some stuff from them like 2 to 3 years back and the stuff is still intact. Like the quality is excellent, the material they use is so good. I have been using their products since like 2 to 3 years, like their clothing items, and the quality is still intact, so I can vouch for Ant's quality. And the price point is a bit high, but it is worth every penny because of the quality you get. If you're looking out for good formal wear too, do check Ant out. They have some really nice collection and has their own website, and it is also available on Myntra. Another lesser known brand we should get its limelight is Libas. Now Libas is an ethnic wear brand. Like they are mostly known for making kurta or kurta sets or kurta dresses, like mostly Indian wear, but the collection is so nice. If you are into Indian wear like me, you will vouch for their collection. Definitely check their kurta sets and kurta out. I am using few of them and the quality and the fitting is bomb. I'm not even kidding. You use it, you wear it for yourself and you will get what I am saying. I really love their collection and the prints and the colors are so good. Like they are always coming out with new trendy stuff and they're always available or some or other kind of discount. Like you will always find them on discount, and if you have somewhere to go or you are looking out for kurta sets or kurta in a pretty low range, do check Libas out. You will definitely love their collection. Now Libas have their own website and it it is also available on Myntra. The last brand we are going to talk about is Myntra's in-house brand and is only available on Myntra is Anok. Now this video is no way sponsored by Myntra. It's just that most of the brands I talked about in this video or I will be talking about in my future videos regarding this series are available on Myntra, and it's just that I love their service. So yeah, coming back to Anok, Anok is doing really great when it comes to Indian wear. If you are looking out for kurtas or kurta sets or even kurta dresses, do check Anok's collection out. They have some really nice range with beautiful prints and beautiful colors. My mom really loves their kurta sets and the quality is so great, and they are always available on discount. When they they are launched, they are available at the original price point, but after 2 or 3 days there is some or other kind of discount on them. So yeah, it is nice quality clothing with affordable range. That's Indian wear clothing brands for you, like most of the Indian wear clothing brands. So if you're looking out for budget friendly Indian wear with pretty good quality, do check Anok's collection out. I'm pretty sure you will love it as much as I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up and also comment down below and let me know which are the Indian brands or local brands which you really like and which you think are really great, and I will definitely try them if I haven't yet. And if you're new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and also click the bell icon for the notifications. And I will try to do this series for skincare and makeup as well, like Indian skincare and makeup. It's just that I need to do a little bit more research on it, but when it comes to Indian skincare, I think Shreya Jain hands down make the best videos and give the best product recommendations. She really knows what she's talking about, and I have got introduced to some of the lesser known Indian skincare brands because of her. This is not a shout out, guys. She really doesn't win one. She is the OG. So yeah, enough of my blabbering. I will see you guys with a new topic in my next video. Bye.